seconds shoot, taking 3. No good people by Maui. Pass to Elvis. Elvis making his move. Elvis pa rin. 2 points. Elvis. Yeah. Last possession before change. Last possession. 12-6. Spin move. Still kaya. Still kaya. Nakuha pa rin number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Crossover by number 10. Pass to number 21. Crossover to number 21. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 21. 4 seconds to shoot. Block. 3, 2, 1. Pag na-rebound po, labas na po. Bola ng Team Marcel. Change court na po. Change court. Knockout po. Hindi tumawa sa ring. Sa ring. Shoutout sa ating mga bros dyan. Welcome sa ating people. Officially New Polar Season 2. Papawis runs. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 12-6 in favor of Team Marcel. Elvis with ball. Lagi din mo ba Mikey? 2 points. Mikey. Evo Buceno.
Echo baby.
Number 0. Pass to number 11. Short number. 2 points. Number 11. Score 14-8 in favor of Team Marcel. Tyron. Crossover move. Pass to Mikey sa ilalim. No good. Maui pa rin.
All down.
Foul niya si number first personal foul. First team foul. 14-8 to Tyron. To Maui sa ilalim. Maui. Power move. No good. Maui pa rin. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 11. Number 11, crossover with number 11, sakit na pa rin. 2 points, number 0. 14-10, 4-point lead. Pass to Mikey, intercepted. Good ball. Live ball po yan. Good ball. Live ball po yan. Steal by Mikey. Pag-foul lang po tayo, dead ball. Pag-foul. To Maui, 2 points. Maui. Oh, yeah. Number 0 crossover move, kaya pa rin. Number 0, lumipad. Login, rebound by Ellis. To Tyron. Side step move ni Tyron, 2 points. Tyron, nalang. Score, 18-10, 8-point lead by Team Marcel. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Number 21. 18-12. 2 minutes and 23. Tyron. Pass to Elvis. Stinging 3. Elvis. Now. Assist by Tyron. Alam.
Kung naabutan nyo lang, siguro boss ako, naabutan nyo lang.
What a move by number 18, 2 points, number 18. Power move. Last 2 minutes. At sa inyo ng Cobra Energy. Tyron. Nalang. Siguradong may tama ka. Steal by Elvis pa rin 2 points. Elvis down. 26-14. Live ball po yan, live ball. Pag-foul lang po tayo, dead ball.
Foul counted, di ba?
Wala akong foul counted. Wala akong foul counted, ha? Ang ganda paso to Ellis, 2 points, Ellis.
Next lap. Pangalawang laro.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds, ball goes to Team Sean 2.0. Score 28-14. 28-14 in favor of Team Marcel,
busy.
number 21 taking green. No good. May number 0. Grabe naman. Number 0 man kaya? Hindi mo ba tayo? 47 seconds left. Pass to Mikey. Mikey. Foul. Foul for jersey number 11.
Bola, walang bola.
36 seconds left.
Bola.
12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Elvis. Elvis. 10 seconds to shoot. Elvis speed move. Elvis pa rin. Nugget. Rebound by Mikey. Two boys. Mikey. Nepomuceno.
Nakakita ni Mikey.
15 seconds left. Shot clock off. Number 0 crossover. Number 0. 2 points. Number 0. 5 seconds. No good.